Forecast.
Hey there, good morning and happy Tuesday. So we are feeling much colder today compared to yesterday, but thankfully we don't have to deal with that precipitation, that freezing rain, or that wintry mix that we saw yesterday. That's not in the forecast for today. We are thankfully dry, so we don't have to worry about that as you head on the roads, but what you do have to think about is how cold it is outside and how that wind chill is going to affect you. So make sure you bundle up if you're heading outdoors this morning. Let's go ahead and go over what you need to know before you go. So taking a look, we do know that we are going to have those sub-freezing temperatures that we're currently having all across the coastal bend. None of us have made it above 32 degrees this morning. Some locations have made it to 30 degrees, but none of us are quite making it out of that range just quite yet. And also, of course, we have those very strong winds. So we're having a very bitter wind chill. We're seeing our wind chills, particularly in some locations, getting our feel-like temperatures into the single digits in some communities, especially in areas like Beeville. And then, like I said, those gusty winds are going from the north up to 26 miles per hour. We're also seeing those wind gusts going up to 38 or even 40 miles per hour this morning as well. So very frigid, very cool conditions to look forward to for today. But we're actually going to have a gradual warm up. It's going to be very temporary because we're forecasting our very next cold front set to arrive later on this week. But we are going to warm up a bit and rebound to our temperatures back into the 70s as we look ahead to the latter days this week. But we have to get through today, our last day dealing with these very frigid conditions related to this Arctic blast. So for today, we do have two weather alerts that we need to be aware of for today at least. So all the areas here shaded in this light blue color, you're under a wind chill warning for today. That's going to be in effect until around noon today. That's related to how gusty those winds are and how they are affecting our feel-like temperatures, making us all in the teens or in the single digits for our feel-like temperatures. That's how it feels when you step outdoors. And particularly for our island communities, you guys are going to be under a freeze warning today. So you guys are going to be closer to the water, of course, so you're going to be bearing the brunt of those very heavy wind gusts for today, making it a little bit dicey. So that's why you're going to be under a freeze warning for today. But overall, no matter where you are on the coastal bend, we're all feeling that very frigid chill all across the coastal bend. Like I said a moment ago, temperature-wise, at least for your air temperatures, that's the white numbers on our screen here. All of us are under 32 degrees, so we're all looking at sub-freezing conditions all across the coastal bend. And on account of those wind gusts, for our yellow numbers, that's our wind chill, or that's our feel-like temperatures, I should say. So all of us are looking at our feel-like temperatures either in the teens or in the single digits, like Rockport as well as Port A. Beeville, you guys are just now getting and joining us into the double digits here, sitting at 10, but still in that threshold. That's why we have those wind chill warnings in effect for today. But looking ahead, our feel-like temperatures could potentially drop a little bit further this morning. At around 9 a.m., all of us could potentially be in that range, still having our feel-like temperatures dropping even further before we get warmer. Quote-unquote warmer in terms of how our feel-like temperatures will raise up just slightly as our air temperatures start to increase as well. We'll get back into the 20s for our feel-like temperatures. That's going to be thanks to high pressure that's going to be continue to move into our area, giving us some extra sunshine in the forecast, making us a bit warmer for today, but only to the upper 30s for today. But we will have that gradual warm-up, like I mentioned, get our temperatures back into the 70s as we look ahead to your Thursday.